In this video, we are going to see how to connect a keypad to Arduino. So for this, the components required are an Arduino board and a keypad. In the keypad, there are totally 8 pins, out of which 4 pins belongs to the row and 4 pins belong to the column. So now we'll do the circuit connection. Let's connect the first pin here to the 9th pin of the Arduino. Now we'll connect the column pin. We'll give a different color. Now the connection part is done. We'll see how to code this. Here we are going to import keyboard.h library, keypad.h library, and also initialize the total number of rows and column in the keypad. So here the total number of rows is 4, and column is also 4. So that's done. Then we'll have the character map of this keyboard. The key map of this keyboard, we should put it. So here we have made the key map, character key map, number of rows, number of columns is equal to. So it resembles the structure of this keypad. So 1, 2, 3A, 4, 5, 6B, 7, 8, 9C, and star 0 hash D. So similar to that of keypad, we have made a key map. Then we have to initialize the pin to which the column and the rows are connected. So we write byte row pins, number of rows equal to. So it's connected to the 9th, 8th, and 7th, and the 6th pin. The rows are connected to those pins. Similarly, byte so now the initialization part is done. Then an instance of keypad class is made. For that, keypad, my keypad is an instance is equal to keypad of make key map using the key map that we have given above here. Okay. Then take the pins into account and the column pins into account. Then number of rows, comma, number of columns. So the instance is created. So after that, we are going to display the output in the serial monitor. Whichever key we press, the corresponding number will be printed in the serial monitor. So we'll see how to write the code in the loop statement. So we'll get the key using char key pressed equal to my keypad dot get key. Then if key pressed is not equal to no underscore key is a null value. So that will be the value whenever no keys are pressed. So serial dot print ln of key pressed. So we have completed the coding part. We'll see how the output appears. So we'll start the simulation, include keypad.h. We initialize the number of rows and columns. We include the key map. Then the total number, the pins connected to the rows and columns are initialized and an instance for keypad is created. Then serial begin is created and then key pressed condition is checked. If the key is pressed, display the corresponding key. So now we'll check out, start the simulation, open a serial monitor. We'll check if there is an output. So 1, 2, 3, A, 4, 5, 6, B, 7, 8, 9, C, star 0, hash D. So the corresponding keys, whichever I press here is displayed here in the output. So this is how you connect a keypad to the Arduino board.